Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video we're gonna learn how to make this Robert Downey Jr. Illustrator, which I found on the internet. So I thought it's a good idea to work with. So I tried it. As you guys seen in thumbnail, it's just a head. If you guys want me to make full clothing, just let me know in the comment box down below. I'll try to do that as well as. And if you guys want me to make more videos like this kind of characters, let me know. I'll try more and more styles for you guys so you guys can learn with me. As usual, I'm using spheres for my face, and mostly hair and everything I use like spheres. And I didn't feel like it need more than one sphere to make a face, so I didn't add any. Here I'm just adding landmarks where I can keep a track on. So this is cheekbone, lips, the creases wherever face has, nose bone, those kind of things. Nothing special, all old things. If you know anatomy, that's good. So you can follow the face structure and things which we need. And remember this, guys, even though if you know the anatomy of the face or head, how does it look like and all, but once you find some kind of illustrator, it doesn't work that way, because the artist is trying to give in lowest strokes and detail to capture the character itself, like whoever he is trying to make, he or she is trying to make, they try to make more alike in their sketches with the lowest detail. So they will do whatever they like, they can make possible to capture that detail. So if you wanted to capture illustration details, so you have to follow their lead, not your own. So this is what I did here. I just go with the concept itself, even though there is some few things I feel like the head is way broader than front than his back. So I ignored that fact. We can debate on that, like how and why, but that's the style which artists go through. So we need to respect and we need to follow their lead if you wanted to. Otherwise you can go your own way, you can make your own style. As you can see, nothing like tedious or hard work. It's just a needed detail, and you know where to push and where to keep stay for a while. Then you can work at that. That's only it matters, I'll say. Now here what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to keep my face in that angle the artists have made already. So I was trying to catch that silhouette. Alright. So even though my mesh gets disturbed in a really bad way, but still with that cue, with that help of that silhouette, I can make my model really a little bit easier compared to if I go from the scratch on my own. And again, I'm not trying to make face like a lips and all at this stage. Even this stage, I'm just keeping the the points where I need to work. And this, guys, you have noticed like I didn't add my second eye yet. There is a reason. If you have one eye, you can see how mesh is working with the flow, right? The shape, how is it coming up? If you have another cavity of the eye, it's empty, all right, you can make the eyelids fairly easy to control. This is what I find out that the people have doing in their own styles, and this is my style, how I do it. If you guys like it, you guys can do it. Just give it a try. If you like it, you can continue doing this, or you can do in your own style. Once I'm done with that, I can mirror it. Now I just pull the mesh out of his head itself to make an ear. I'm just giving a basic rough shape of the ear, doesn't matter the size. Once you know you're okay with that mesh to work with, then you can compare from the front side, because mostly you can see the ear, how it should be. It should be above the eyelid, upper eyelid, and the lower of your nose. All right. So with that you can work with. Now once you're done, just keep your keep groups on and smooth lowest in the Z measure, and just do Z measure with the same. I know even at this stage doesn't look that good. Now at this stage I wanted to make lips, because I have find like if you make lips in your early stage, it will be a problematic to control mesh from the lips. It get destroyed. I have seen that. So what I was for a while I was doing whenever you're making face, keep your lips at the last stage, so you won't get distracted with the any other things to do, or it won't get destroyed from the mesh if you wanted to do smooth or zero measure. Here I was trying to give that smirky face which I have seen in the reference and the art. Even though you can see the realistic, like a real photo, and the Illustrator, there is a little bit difference. Obviously there will be, because the artist itself, he has some his own style to add in. So every time there will be a little bit difference than the art, as the reference go by to the artist, it will be differ. Not necessarily, but sometimes. Now with this sphere, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna give a rough shape of the hair, step by step, slow. It doesn't need to be at first you have pulled it and it should be nice. No. Now you can see I'm trying to give his hairs, like the hairstyle of his is kind of different in this picture, I feel like. You can spend some more time and you can give the best looking hair or whatever you want to create. If you don't have time, just like you want to practice, do practice. If you have a lot of time to like make it, I'm sure you guys can make 10 times better than mine. Here just I added a little bit subdivisions like 3. Then with the damp center brush I'm just giving like hair strokes. Like that, nothing is special, just a little bit details here and there. Now here what I'm doing, I'm just giving a mask for the mustache, and not that great. I tried on more and it was like okay. Always check for the like unwanted mask. If you have, just remove it, otherwise it will be a problem in the future. Now always remember, whenever you're painting your head, it should be like, even though you have given the skin color, always add 3 colors to it on your lowest RGB level. Yellow to his forehead, pinkish, light pinkish to his in middle, like middle part, and the lightest blue color on his especially on beard areas, like beard, mustache area over there. Even the reference, you can see there is a 3 colors partition, you can clearly see. Once you've done it and you feel like it's more than you require, then go back with your original skin tone color, then paint it again with the lowest RGB. That will be it. Now for the eyes, what I have done, I have selected the colors with the standard brush. Keep your focal shift to the fullest, then drag the brush size, then do this other color. That's it.